On the scorching savanna, a lion creeps down to the riverbank for a drink. But beneath the murky surface, danger lurks. A crocodile surges upward, jaws snapping like thunder. The lion leaps back, claws flashing, slashing at armored hide. Water churns, dust rises, the king of the land against the lord of the river. Crocodile jaws clamp down, but the lion's strength tears free. The clash rages at the water's edge, neither backing down, both scarred from the fight. Who rules the riverbank, the lion or the crocodile? Comment your answer, smash that like, and subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more untamed battles.